Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. Well, I'm sorry about the late webcast. I'm having a few internet problems, but everything seems to be running smooth. I am, as you know, I'm just outside of Cancun, Mexico, at the El Dorado Royale. It's a fantastic hotel. We're just having a few internet problems, but the boys got me hooked up this morning. What I do want to share with you today is, it's a little bit late. Jill is posting on the website as I speak. I received buy signals yesterday in the bonds and a sell signal in silver. And obviously the bonds are up. They were up over a point. They ran right into resistance at that 122.07. I see the highs 122.14. But I looked at the whole of the marketplace, and as you know, I've been very bearish the indices. And then after this nuclear disaster, I've been fighting to stay short. And I was actually out to dinner with my girlfriend last night, and when I checked the markets, I couldn't believe that the SPOs were like 3,000 lower, and it was like I just turned on my machine and started going click, 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 covered all my shorts. I was long the bonds, I sold my bonds out, I was short silver, and I bought my silver back. And I have just not only paid for this trip, but I paid for many, many trips to come. It's been a great little run. And and I wrote in my commentary last night that I want you to stay short. The breakaway gaps in the indices, are a key indicator for me. And then all of a sudden they're at the, I wrote in, they met all my objectives. I think the only market that hasn't met my objective is the NASDAQ. My objective from the triangle was 2210. I see the low is 2213 3/4. My objective in the Dow futures was 116.75. They got down to 116.07. The SPOs 12.59 was my objective. I see the lows 12.51. And everything is bounced now. So, when you formulate these objectives, you take your money, you say thank you very much, and you move on. So, all that aside, I know for some people, I've been writing for a couple of weeks about all the volatility has found at highs and lows of moves, and we saw volatility from the middle of February to the first week of March. And when you see trades come together like that, when you see the breakaway gap, you have to fight it, but you have to stay short, especially from the bear tack, because the markets go down so much quicker, which is obviously evidence of what we've seen today. I wrote a couple of weeks ago, and everyone's going to watch this and say, well, I can't run overnight positions, I can't do this, I can't do that. There's options, there's lots of other tools to keep a position on. Or like I've written in the past, you know what? So you stay up, so you miss a little bit of sleep. Sleep is for pussies, So that's about all I have today. We have met my objectives. Obviously, this nuclear issue in Japan is not going away, but we have definitely met my objectives. I am no longer bearish these indices. I am going to sit on the sidelines. I actually have 3 more days of holiday in this wonderful hotel in Mexico. And if anyone ever wants to have an incredible experience, contact me and I could pass on the hotel's details. It's been a wonderful, wonderful experience here. So the people are incredible. Anyhow, this is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. You have a good day. Mind your eye. If it really gets ugly in Japan, the stock markets could get worse. So, cheers. Have a great day. Thank you.